Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be rocking with my bestseller and my favorite pattern, and it's none other than deep wave. We will be using 18 and 20 in the bundles with a 16-inch closure, guys. So right now basically what I'm doing, I stitch your bundles down, and now I'm placing my bold old active glue exactly where I'm gonna put the closure. I'm using my rat tail comb to evenly distribute the glue. 3 coats later, I will be taking my closure and placing it exactly where I placed the glue on her hairline. If you guys would like a more detailed video on how I do my closure installs, please check out my very first video on this channel. It's very detailed and it has all the steps. Right now I'm just using an eyebrow razor to cut the excess lace off. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at honeyscloset_beauty_bar and on Facebook at Honey's Closet and Beauty Bar. Let's step a little bit into hair care. My bundles can serve you anywhere from 3 to 5 years with the proper care. The deep wave in particular is a very high maintenance hair. You would have to pay attention to it every single day. I do recommend that you wash this hair once per week using a small amount of shampoo. Be more generous with the conditioner. Always use a wide tooth comb when detangling. You may add a curl activator or conditioner for the daily upkeep of your curls. However, these products do build up over time, so washing is key. Remember, this hair is not going from your scalp, so you have to take very good care of it. Otherwise from that, the deep wave is a wonderful texture. It's very bouncy, it's very full. We only use 2 bundles for this look, and you can clearly see it's a full head. Like I said before, this pattern is my best seller. My clients love it very much. I love it very much. So it's a win-win on both ends. I offer a wide variety of textures here at Honey's Closet and Beauty Bar. I have natural wave, Italian wave, loose wave, deep wave, kinky curly straight, kinky curly, straight hair, and so much more. Be sure to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. I'm basically just adding the finishing touches right now. I'm preparing it for the final look. Be sure to use the discount code in the videos when purchasing. The discount code for this video is cupcake. And another thing, you guys can wear this hair wet down, you can wear it straight out the pack, and you can also wear it dry. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.